Tonight we're having a visit to the Preston workshops with the AETA. This is the unloading pit for the LRVs when they come from the factory. It's just inside the gate, which has been altered. Grub 11 sitting in here, was running a few weeks ago, I don't know what it's in for. But largely the tramcar graveyard. 801 there is the first W5 to be phased out, and its main crime is it's got a leaky roof. These ones obviously are still in use. This sed's on their new traverser built to carry the articulated cars. Still got a trolley wheel on it. Still got its K35 type controller though. Apparently it's identical almost to Hong Kong's traverser. As you can see, there's a bit left over with the Z on it. And over there is the W. Don't know what it's doing in here. This is the interior of the workshop for the articulated cars.
And this isn't all the digging. We've got to dig more over there. What they're doing is they're digging. You can walk over there, be careful. It goes down about 10 feet, and then it's refilled with sand, packed, and it's in. This floor will be completely level. There will not be a pit.
Mainly W2s in storage out here. They were all withdrawn a couple of weeks ago, the last that there were. The old and the new together. We're shopping though, quite a few armatures and things here, and motors in general. The reason I'm taking this is that they were done on the 12th, and this one was done the 13th today. There's motors everywhere. Of course, would expect to see W6 type cars undergoing overhaul, but perhaps not so W2s. This one's being returned to one of its original forms. And the interior is being stripped down quite thoroughly. A little bit dark in here. You see the seats are out, being stripped, as is the other end. There's another one going back to W1, and an even further one beside it. This is number 380 that never had the extra headlights. Its first 01 overhaul. With cracking in these sets, you see the reinforcing above the centre door there. 45 is just about ready to come out, and it looks great. I should have white balanced earlier, I hope that looks better. 5, and you can see the crack starting above the door on this car, just below the roof line. 258 is in here to be the first A to be converted to pantograph operation. I gather there's some bits and pieces to be made up for it to make it possible. W2s undergoing restoration to early. Obviously the aprons come right off that one. And so the controller inside. We know the Zs aren't always all they're cracked up to be. It looks like they're experimenting with trucks. It's number 990, decorated car in the paint shops here. You can see how there's a false framework over the regular body panels to hold us advertising things. Plus a few other cars very nicely painted up. This one appears to be in primer. I won't change the white balance, but there's an A2 over there. Don't know what's in for. And the T-class, or whatever it is, TS. Nice little painting on a board in here. Putting his foot down on the pedal, and off she goes. Whoops. A visit to Preston workshops. In front of an A or B class.
'Cause the order went in for the V2s. Once the order was put in, there was no need because they knew they'd be phased out. We have one spare set of these now, thanks to 102.
Said one bogey.
That is our spare set at the moment. The other 5 panels are about to corrode and rusted, so they're going to be ripped off and new guts and ice cream put on. Hopefully a brand new tramway will come down. It's got defective compressor.
Yeah, it's got no O-rings, hasn't it?
Well, this one, what number is it? 2000.
2013 arrived yesterday. As you can see, the addition of seats and so on is done here at the workshops.
Truck frames and everything all knocked in.
And trucks for 2021 being prepared.
Motor comes completely out. Nowadays the gearbox is increasing. We do about 20% of the work on these strands. This is why I put it in destination city. I put the Z's and the A's and the B's. That's 2009 plus and not million requiring a taxi now about to go straight to fit up to
This is the new lifting area in for the articulated cars.
about 2 weeks.
2011 over in the background.
Jamie,
938's just had an 01. Apparently it was a south tram, but it's going to Preston now apparently. Old Preston depot where they have the fiberglass section.
About an hour and a half before we got it up right. So we thought, you know, I had to stand well clear, it was just tottering. The thing that's in there, I put timber reinforcement when it wanted to get bumps on the side.
It's good.
This black thing is the mould that the fiberglass is attached to give it the shape. Waxing it up so the fiberglass doesn't actually stick to the mould.
No, there's only one. They're going to do the cube, so I just
It's funny how they...
first one was fully tested to comments, isn't it?
2009, ready for handover today. Different colour of seating.
It's a pity they didn't face the darn things with advertising on the side, so geez.
This is the electrical shop. The fella's cleaning out an armature for rewinding.